Hello, I am Ali, and today I want to fix a small table that has spilled ink on it. As you see, uh, the ink is here, and first I want to sand this area with 400 grade sandpaper first, and then I pour a little clear to cover this area. In fact, you can do this yourself if you have a small table or another things that made with wood. You can do it yourself. First, you sand it with soft sandpaper like 400 or 600 grade first, like this. You will need to sand the edges of damaged area to make them even and level with the rest of the table. So, and as you see, this is this small table that I sanded, and now I want to wipe this area with damp cloth. This area is completely soft, and now I can cover it with color coating. And now I'm going to make top coat according to the manufacturer instructions. And and now I covered this area with a tissue or a small brush. And I cover it with a small tissue. And finally I let it to dry. Thank you for your attention. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you. The table after one day. So I let the table for one day to completely dry, and as you can see, the top of the table is completely soft and dry. If you like this training, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.